Common mistakes to avoid when replacing wiper blades. Number 1. Buying the wrong size. Double check that you've got the right size of wiper blades for your specific vehicle. Incorrectly sized blades won't clean your windshield effectively. Number 2. Forgetting to remove the plastic protector. New blades often come with a plastic protector on the rubber. Failing to remove this can cause the windshield wiper to perform poorly. Number 3. Mishandling the wiper arm. After you take off the old blade, don't let the metal arm smack the windshield. You might crack it. Number 4. Rushing the installation. Take your time and make sure the new blade clicks into place. If it's not securely attached to the arm, it can fly off while you're driving. Failing to test. Always test the new wipers before hitting the road. Make sure they work at all speeds and don't leave streaks. Skip the manual. If you're unsure about anything, consult your car's owner's manual for precise information on how to install the windshield wipers.